Imagine spending weeks on the road, crossing endless highways, yet stepping into a cab that feels more like a luxury apartment than a truck. Today's biggest sleeper cabs have completely transformed life behind the wheel, offering spacious bedrooms, premium kitchens, entertainment systems, and comfort that rivals high-end RVs. These incredible machines prove that trucking is no longer just about hauling freight. It's about living in style while chasing the horizon. In this countdown, we'll explore the 10 biggest and most luxurious sleeper cabs ever built, showcasing jaw-dropping interiors, innovative features, and engineering that pushes the limits of what's possible. Get ready to discover trucks so impressive, you'll hardly believe they're built for the road. Volvo VNL Mega Sleeper. The Volvo VNL Mega Sleeper is engineered to provide exceptional comfort, efficiency, and productivity for long-haul drivers. Built on the Volvo VNL platform, it is powered by the Volvo D13 turbocharged diesel engine paired with the I-Shift automated manual transmission for smooth, fuel-efficient performance. The spacious sleeper offers a premium mattress, ample overhead and underbunk storage, wardrobes, a refrigerator, microwave preparation area, multiple power outlets, LED lighting, and advanced climate control. A 24-inch digital driver display, 9-inch infotainment system, and comprehensive safety technologies, including Volvo Active Driver Assist, make the Volvo VNL Mega Sleeper a comfortable home on the road. Peterbilt 389 Full Black Custom. The Peterbilt 389 Full Black Custom is a bold showcase of premium craftsmanship, combining classic long-nose styling with a striking blacked-out finish. Built on the legendary Peterbilt 389 platform, it can be paired with an ultra-luxury custom sleeper from leading builders such as ARI Legacy sleepers, offering spacious living quarters with a full-size bed, kitchenette, dinette, entertainment system, bathroom, climate control, generous storage, and high-end finishes. Powered by dependable Packard or Cummins engines and engineered for long-haul comfort, this custom rig blends timeless design, exceptional performance, and residential-level amenities, making every journey comfortable, stylish, and unforgettable. Freightliner Argosy Custom. The Freightliner Argosy Custom remains one of the most distinctive cab-over trucks ever built, combining excellent maneuverability with impressive long-haul comfort. Available with 63-inch day cabs and 90, 101, or 110-inch mid and raised roof sleeper options, it offers generous living space for drivers. The walk-through cab, low engine tunnel, electrically powered entry steps, dashboard-mounted shifter, and spacious interior improve daily usability. Engine choices included Cummins ISM, Cummins ISX, Caterpillar C12, Detroit Diesel Series 60, and later DD15, paired with Eaton Fuller transmissions. Its durable aluminum cab, aerodynamic design, and export-focused engineering made the Argosy a legendary custom trucking platform. Peterbilt 220 ARI Legacy. The Peterbilt 220 ARI Legacy is a unique combination of medium-duty practicality and luxury living. Built on the reliable Peterbilt 220 chassis, it features a Packard PX 6.7-liter engine, producing 200 to 260 horsepower and up to 660 pound-feet of torque, paired with an Allison automatic transmission for smooth performance. The custom ARI Legacy Sleeper transforms the truck into a premium mobile home with a full-size bed, kitchenette, cabinetry, entertainment system, climate control, optional bathroom, shower, generator, inverter, freshwater storage, and premium insulation. Excellent visibility, maneuverability, and handcrafted craftsmanship make this an exceptional long-distance luxury hauler. Kenworth W900 Limited Edition. The Kenworth W900 Limited Edition celebrates Kenworth's 100th anniversary with an exclusive production run of just 900 trucks. Available as an 86-inch studio sleeper, 72-inch flat-top sleeper, or extended day cab, it combines the timeless W900 design with premium craftsmanship. Distinctive features include serialized badging, Centennial paint schemes, Kenworth 100 wheels, exclusive hood and sleeper badges, Diamond 5YT all-black interior, premium seating, brushed platinum trim, and anniversary accents throughout the cab. Buyers can choose powerful PACCAR MX-13 engine options, making this limited edition truck a perfect blend of performance, heritage, luxury, and collector appeal. Peterbilt 379 Super Sleeper. The Peterbilt 379. Super Sleeper is an iconic long-haul truck that combines classic styling with luxury living. Built on the legendary Peterbilt 379 chassis, it was available with powerful Caterpillar, Cummins, or Detroit diesel engines and multiple transmission options. Custom Super Sleeper conversions by ARI feature spacious living quarters with a full-size bed, kitchen, refrigerator, microwave, entertainment system, climate control, premium cabinetry, bathroom, shower, generator, inverter, freshwater tanks, and extensive storage. Its durable aluminum cab, comfortable ride, and handcrafted interior make the Peterbilt 379 Super Sleeper a true home on the road for owner-operators. Volvo VNL Garage Sleeper. The Volvo VNL Garage Sleeper is a premium custom conversion designed for long-haul comfort and adventure. Built on the latest Volvo VNL platform, it combines Volvo's fuel-efficient D13 engine, I-Shift automated transmission, and advanced safety technologies with a spacious garage-style sleeper. The living area can include a full-size bed, kitchenette, refrigerator, microwave, cabinetry, entertainment system, climate control, bathroom, shower, freshwater and wastewater tanks, generator, inverter, and a rear garage for motorcycles, bicycles, or outdoor gear. Its handcrafted interior, smart storage solutions, and luxurious amenities create a true home on the road for extended travel. Peterbilt 589 Ultra Cab. The Peterbilt 589 Ultraloft Cab is designed for premium long-haul comfort while maintaining the brand's classic styling. Built on the Peterbilt 589 platform, it is powered by the PACCAR MX-13 engine, delivering up to 510 horsepower and 1,850 pound-feet of torque, with PACCAR TX12 or Eaton transmission options. The 80-inch Ultraloft Sleeper offers nearly 8 feet of headroom, a spacious workstation, ample storage cabinets, a wardrobe, a large refrigerator, premium seating, and factory-installed comfort features. Advanced digital displays, aerodynamic improvements, and driver assistance technologies make the Peterbilt 589 Ultraloft an ideal choice for modern owner-operators. Peterbilt Shell Bootleggers Pulling Team Truck. The Peterbilt Shell Bootleggers pulling team truck is a custom heavy-duty hauler built to transport high-performance pulling tractors and racing equipment in style. Based on a Peterbilt conventional chassis, it features a powerful Cummins or PACCAR diesel engine, a heavy-duty transmission, air ride suspension, and a premium interior designed for long-distance travel. The truck is equipped with extensive exterior storage, custom paint inspired by the Shell Bootleggers team, polished chrome accents, advanced lighting, and towing capability for large competition trailers. Its combination of reliability, hauling strength, and show-quality craftsmanship makes it a standout motorsport support truck. Volvo VNL Expedition. The Volvo VNL Expedition is a custom long-haul truck designed for drivers seeking both premium comfort and off-grid capability. Built on the Volvo VNL platform, it features the fuel-efficient Volvo D13 turbo diesel engine, I-Shift automated transmission, and advanced safety systems, including collision mitigation and lane-keeping support. Expedition-style sleeper conversions can include a full-size bed, kitchenette, refrigerator, microwave, climate control, premium cabinetry, entertainment system, inverter, generator, freshwater and wastewater tanks, and abundant storage. Its spacious interior, modern technology, and durable construction make the Volvo VNL Expedition a luxurious and practical home for extended journeys.